Good morning to all of you. Today's event is related to International Day of Peace, which is celebrated on 21 September every year. But before starting, I want to introduce myself. I am Sunita Vakmare from Signet Public School, Hadapsar. Students, we all are part of a beautiful, peaceful country, India. In India, all different communities living together with each other very peacefully. As we know that the famous quote of Albert Einstein, peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. So, having a great importance for peaceful life, the International Day of Peace is celebrated throughout world. The International Day of Peace is celebrated on September 21 each year to recognize the efforts of those who has worked hard to end conflict and promote peace. The International Day of Peace, sometimes unofficially known as World Peace Day. It is celebrated annually on 21 September. It is observed by all United Nations member states. For the celebration of this day, multiple worldwide events are organized, and specially this day was celebrated for peace movements. Let's take a glance on the history of this day. The United Nations General Assembly declared in a resolution sponsored by the United Kingdom and Costa Rica, the International Day of Peace to be devoted to strengthening the ideals of peace. The date initially chosen was the regular opening day of the annual sessions of the General Assembly, but afterwards this was changed in 2001 to the current annual celebration on 21 September each year. So students, the International Day of Peace is a day dedicated to the cessation of all hostilities around the world and for people to engage in activities that promote global peace. So, all of us have to give our contribution towards the International Day of Peace by supporting peace movements. Thank you to all of you.